Hey everyone, this is Dr. Madsen here at Heartland Health and Wellness. Today we're going to be talking about some stretches and some exercises to help you prevent some neck pain, shoulder pain, and help you beat that afternoon crash. Now, work chairs and desks aren't exactly overly comfortable to sit at, especially when we use poor posture like this or this. Ideally, the best workstation setup is going to have your hands resting on your keyboard at a right angle with your elbows. We also want the computer monitors to sit as close to eye level as possible. You can use some old textbooks to do this, or you can get a fancy shelf to raise them up and store stuff underneath. Doing this will help keep us from looking down all day, preventing us from developing these tension headaches that start at the base of the skull. Making these adjustments is going to set us up for a comfortable workday and help minimize the aches and pains of doing desk work. But we do get caught up in our projects and daily tasks and sometimes start to get stiff in the neck and the low back. So here are a few things that you can do throughout the day at your desk to prevent this from happening and get your body up, moving, and active. The first stretch is going to be one to stretch the front muscles of your neck, what are called the scalenes. These are the muscles that pull your head down and forward. So to stretch these, you'll sit up nice and tall, turn your head to one side, tip your head back, push your cheekbone into the ceiling. You should feel this stretch down the front of your neck. If you want a little deeper stretch, put your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Make sure what you do to one side, you do to the other. The next stretch is for the upper trap muscles. This stretch targets the upper shoulder areas where a lot of people carry stress. Also, if the arms on your desk chair are too high, this can also cause tightness in this area. To perform this stretch, again, you'll start by sitting up nice and tall. Then you'll tip your head off to the side, trying to let your ear fall onto your shoulder. You will feel this stretch on the opposite side you are bending. If you want a deeper stretch, you can use your arm and put slight pressure just above the ear to give you a little deeper stretch. Again, what you do to one side, make sure you do to the other. The third stretch is one for the muscles at the base of the neck and across the shoulders. We call this one the armpit stretch. What you'll do is sit up nice and tall. Notice the theme yet? Then you'll drop your nose toward one armpit and bring your arm up and pull down gently. You can change the amount of stretch you feel by controlling the pressure you put on your head. And again, what we do to one side, we should do to the other. The last activity I will leave you with today is one to get the blood pumping through your body and something to help wake your brain up. We will have you start in a standing position. Then you will raise your knees up and march in place. We want more movement than just a walk, so really get those knees up there. Then what you'll do is you'll tap your knees at the top with your opposite hand. Doing this not only gets your whole body moving, but it also stimulates neurons in the brain to improve concentration and mental agility. Now, you can do these stretches and exercises pretty much as often as you want throughout the day. I usually recommend doing at least one activity every hour. It's actually been shown that people that take a 2 to 5 minute break every hour are more productive and produce better quality work than people who sit and work for 3-4 hours at a time. So do yourself a favor, get up, get moving, and take your health back naturally.